In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Trello for social media management step by step. If you're struggling to organize your content ideas, keep track of posts, or manage workflow efficiently, Trello is an incredibly simple and powerful tool to help you stay on top of everything. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional social media board ready to plan, produce, and review your content. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can quickly sign up for free. After logging in, you'll land on your Trello home dashboard. From here, click on Create and then select Create Board. This is where we'll build your social media management system. Next, you'll need to enter a board title. For this example, type something like Social Media or Social Media Management. Naming your board clearly is important, especially if you plan to create multiple boards for different projects or clients. Once you've entered the board name, click Create. Trello will instantly generate your new board. Now it's time to structure your workflow using lists. Lists represent stages in your content process. Click on Add a List and type your first list name. A good starting point is Content Plan. This is where you'll store all your content ideas and upcoming post concepts. After typing the name, click Add List. Next, create another list called Production. This list will hold content that is currently being created, such as graphics being designed, captions being written, or videos being edited. Click Add List again after typing the name. Then create a third list called Review. This is where you'll move content that is ready to be checked, approved, or scheduled. You can continue adding more lists if you like, such as scheduled or published, depending on how detailed you want your workflow to be. Once your lists are set up, it's time to start adding cards. Cards represent individual pieces of content. Under the Content Plan list, click on Add a Card. Now type the name of your first post. For example, Instagram Reel, Product Demo, or Facebook Post, Customer Testimonial. Press Enter or click Add Card to save it. You can continue adding as many cards as you want. Each card can be clicked to open more options. Inside a card, you can add a detailed description, attach images or videos, add due dates, create checklists for tasks, and assign team members if you're working with others. This makes Trello extremely powerful for collaboration and keeping everything organized in one place. As you begin working on a piece of content, simply drag the card from Content Plan to Production. Once it's ready for approval, drag it to Review. Trello's drag-and-drop system makes it very easy to visually track the progress of every post. This visual workflow is one of the main reasons social media managers love using Trello. Over time, you'll have a clear overview of what's planned, what's in progress, and what's ready to go live. This reduces confusion, prevents missed deadlines, and keeps your entire content strategy organized. And that's how you use Trello for social media management step by step. As you can see, it's simple to set up, but incredibly powerful once you start using it consistently. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.